Hey everyone, I just made some salad dressing here and I have these high quality condiment bottles I wanted to show you. This is where I typically put my salad dressings, barbecue sauces, stuff like that inside of here. Just wanted to show you, this cap goes on really nice. It doesn't leak from the sides like here. Some of them, the cheaper brand ones, they leak from the side. Comes with a nice red cap. I like that. Also comes with these really cool labels. You can see here, I put one Italian dressing on there. And you can even erase it afterwards and then come up with a new one. So really cool. This is the pen here. Comes with the extra cap just in case you lose one. Also does come with a funnel. This is super handy. That way you're not creating a mess when you're pouring it in. So this is what I like to do. Put the funnel right in here. Take my salad dressing and just pour it right in. It's quick, easy, no mess. I love it. So this would be great for birthday parties, barbecues, any outdoor party that you just want to have some extra condiments out there. We love Italian dressing and ranch dressing, so always have a couple bottle of these ready to go. I love it. Comes out, let's squirt a little bit out onto the boy's plate here. Take that off. You can see just a nice even distribution there. So squirts out. Very nice and easy. If you're looking for a high quality condiment bottle, this comes in a 6-pack with no leaking around the side and caps and the funnel. I highly recommend these ones. Thanks for watching.